This video, I show you how to get paid free PayPal money from watching videos, which is a new strategy to make $200 per day online for absolutely free till 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is Get Paid from Watching Videos. I never talked about these websites before, and it will actually pay you decent money, just from watching videos. There is no secret that we all love watching videos every single day. I mean, you're watching this video right now, but what if you could actually get paid for doing so? So you can lay in your bed or sit on your couch or relax at the beach and still make money just for watching videos. Now let us get started. So this is the first step you need to do in order to make money watching videos. Here is the website right here. And you're not going to get paid out in points, in gift cards or anything like that. You're actually going to get a direct payment to your PayPal account. So you do need a PayPal account in order to do this. If you don't have a PayPal account, just create one for yourself. It is absolutely free and available worldwide. You can see that cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. Like answering surveys. I don't like this one, it is so boring and very time consuming, finding great deals, watching videos and surfing the web. So you can even just search on Google and make money like that as well. But we definitely want to watch the videos right here. And you don't even need to watch the videos actively. You can watch the videos on your phone or your laptop, and then you can just sit and let it play in the background while you're doing other things as well. And it's actually really simple. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, find and complete your mission. Number 2, watch the earnings grow in your account. Number 3, cash out early, easily and often. And here you can see some testimonials of real people actually making money with this platform as well. And I'm going to reveal the website right now. And it's called cashkick.com. But remember to stick with me because there are some things that you could be doing wrong if you do this all by yourself to be wasting your time. Also, I'll show you 2 more bonus sites. They'll make this a lot easier for you. This is an easy way to make some extra income. You're not going to become a millionaire, and you're not going to fly around the world in private jets and with Lamborghini and Ferrari. However, you will make some awesome side income for you to make some extra money, and then use that money to shop online and buy yourself some cool things. So all you need to do is enter your email, choose a password, and then get started. Now the second website is called creationsrewards.net. And here you can see, be rewarded for what you do online at Creations Rewards. Earn free gift cards and cash. You even get a $5 sign-up bonus right now if you just sign up to this website. And here's exactly how you're going to do it. Earning points, you can take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, which is the most important in my opinion, explore websites, try offers and much more. And then you're going to redeem those points into gift cards to your favorite stores, such as Amazon or Walmart, or redeem your points for cash through PayPal. It's easy and fun. If you're wondering, hey, is this website a scam? Well, this website has been around since 2000 and rewarding their members for 18 years. So if it was a scam, they would have been gone for a long time ago. Now I'm going to show you another site, but before that, remember to like the video. Also comment down below where you're from, because it really makes me happy to see every single country you're coming from. And those likes make me super happy because the algorithm makes me share this video out to more people. So thank you so much for doing that. The last website is quickwords.net. And I'll show you a very important secret right here. So here, you can get paid to complete surveys, play games, which is a good one as well, watching videos, complete offers and shop online. These 2 are pretty much the coolest ones, but I know we all like watching videos. And what's awesome with this is that they have paid out over $7 million to their members since 2002. And not only that, you don't have to make hundreds and thousands of dollars to be able to cash that out and take it out from your account, because you can redeem it after 1 cent, which is absolutely awesome. Now here's the special bonus tip for you. Watch all the videos from all the different websites that I've mentioned in this video at the same time. Go to quickwords.net and make an account, then go to creationsrewards.net and make an account as well, and lastly, go also to cashkick.com and make an account. After that, open all the browsers in a new tab. Then you can watch videos on all the 3 websites at the same time and even have more devices. So if you have a phone or a second laptop, you can start making money just watching videos through multiple devices at the same time while you're doing whatever you want to do. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.